Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Medu arben kiyawala me uleni tikudinge syllabus me fahu topic e current account of POP. Then me topic ka kiwe sama tikudinge exam wara muhimmu topic e me fahu topic kamuga vies hama komme hare ka me topic on sama questions simeni for work topic e furtama learning intention taka arben kiyawa bataka palalan me topic dashunti kudinenge genje he bata ki furtama me components of current account POP, then calculate deficit and surplus in the current account of POP, analyze the causes of current account deficit and surplus, analyze the consequences of current account deficit and surplus, then effective policies to get a stable BOP. Me bataka harbenga filawalga medu then me filawala feshmuga kurin tikudinna by muhimu terms me terms taki misa yagin kurane ho miha hisaba topic anneeruga me term tan igi fokamang hunnane imports means the total amount of goods which are imported from abroad, total then export me the amount of goods which are sold out from the nation, then investment income me earnings from the investment like dividends and all, then employment income but the labor earned. Then mihiri example take me kinekka asu me example tawga mihiri BOP ga list korave gota transaction ta me unna koi got dakkala mataka then me transaction ta hama filawulge kuriyan oi bag is dakkala nan ade kinekka me cheda record wegen. Then balance of payment me topic kadaruga first you should know the definition balaruga it is a record of international economic transactions between residents of one country and the rest of the world. Usually it is given in 1 year, but sometimes it can be given in quarters as well. Then me topic actually in BOP there are two sections ekama me harmenge syllabus meenani current account geba ehi maharmen current account abegatu filawulga kiyawana, then the other part is called capital account. Then current account balayaruga current account shows the value of all exports and imports adi hamayakuga it also include primary and secondary income. Then tikudin kuriga ki me kuri ahara balafa syllabahuga mihira terms ta kudako tafate forima miss ebe vestehila mihar previous and current terminologies balayaruga current terminologies include 4 main sections. Then previous gaves some 4 main sections meheneni mega trade in goods, export minus import of goods me same, then trade in service, exports minus imports some kurieke gota ekam kuriga inflow income flow ekam mihar mi be mi keni primary income, then kuriga current transfer kiya mi by mihar mi keni secondary income. Then me 4 section ge ituru details amiste hilana 4 section na balayaruga furtama trade in goods often called visible trade. Then visible export and import include food, vehicle, machineries, or whatever which is tangible. Trade of these items are recorded in trade in goods. Then trade in service are always called invisible export and import of whatever the service which is done in the country are recorded under this. Me meneni misalaka tourism, financial services me kala bata. Then primary income balaruga mega me meneni employees working abroad and profit from MNCs, investment income gathered from assets held abroad mikala bata me anani primary income gada shuga. Then secondary income ka me anani amount of money transferred from people who are working abroad me bata me secondary income gada shuga record wegen me, and then adi hama me aids paid to the government wes annane me secondary income gadasha himeni. then filawalga hama muhimu bay mi debits and credits tikudina engem waane kihinekkan mi transaction ta hedigen daani the term engigen so kinekan eti record one. All the inflows are credit items and all the outflows are debit items. All the debit me bunani the money leave in the country, then credit me money which is coming into the country. Then kuriga dakkale ka transaction ta mihar mismindi tikudinna example ege gotuga hadalafa. For the sale of Mifco fish can to Europe worth 10,000. Miti note wege meyannani as it is a visible trade gedda shuka export ehwema visible trade in goods, visible export note ko reforminde. Then brought fruits and vegetables from India worth 55,000. Me fruits and vegetables it is also a visible trade. Meti ekam miwani visible import because we are importing from India. Ema meti note me vegendani outflow ege gotuka. Then foreign tourist buy travel package from Niyama private island worth 45,000. It is a service, so trade in service. Meti miwani invisible export ege gotuka note vegemme invisible inflow gedasha. Then foreign workers sending remittance to their country. Foreign workers vima remittance miti miyanani primary income gedasha outflow gotuga note kuravige. Then Maldivian earning dividend from overseas worth 35,000. Me ama primary income miti miyanani inflow gotuga note kuravige. Then donation send to overseas worth 20,000 23,000. Me donation miti miyanani hama me note kuravige send echage gotuga ema outflow ge gotuga. Then Maldivian medical expenses overseas worth 56,000. miti miyanani note kuravige anikawas hama me 56,000 me amount note kurivikindane outflow age gotuga. Then donation received to Maldivian worth 23,000. me inflow eka miti note kurivikindane ehema balance me har mindi fenna da. Then hama kuriyeke gota mismindi hama ituru transaction hama note kurave me example eke gotuga himana lafa ema kudin calculation kolan aslo mindi fursat def. Then mindi past paper question ga mindi hama tikudinnan suwal tang annani goy dakkalumuge goto miss me baga mindi past paper question himana laf mi suwal ga mindi aslo me. In recent years, the US has experienced a deficit on its overall current account of balance of payment. What could have led an increase in the size of deficit? Deficit boduwa lead we konkamenge. And then option taka balala ergama. For the A, increase competitiveness of good made in US. Competitiveness increase with more production will be there. A deficit lead and one. Then increase earnings by US investors in foreign companies. And surplus increase number of overseas visitors to US. Surplus increase spending on US military base abroad send out it could lead to deficit. Answer D. Then mihar miyanani warigina kudin confuse kurabatake ekamako visnale fiyamu miti hama tikudena war fase hevegandani hinga balalama. Causes of current account deficit ka mihimerani debay a cyclical deficit adi structural deficit. For the mis tehlane cyclical deficit. Cyclical deficit occur due to income, low income abroad or high income in the home country. Low income abroad mitanga mibudani misaka the neighboring country for to whom we export misalaka mustard vikani European market, and if they have less income they will buy less from us. Then ehme deficit me lead wege midani ekam misaka anegoteki high income home in home people will demand more, and it could lead to import more goods. So again it could lead to deficit. Then ane point ki high exchange rate high export price versus low import price. And we high export price export less vegenda madu vegenda iruga import ituru vege when they import more deficit will be more. Then structural bala iruga increasing cost of production then if the cost of production produce kuranda haradu poduwaka mugavajaya less can be produced anekamaki expensive marketing saka muda market kurang heda kuranjaya ever poduwaja kamugavajayamu people will find difficult and they can market less and we magotiki vikkevaru maduwegen datevi hama deficit lead vege midani then ekamaki lack of factor endowments misaka better utilization of resources occur nuwa kamugavajayamu there will be less production and we magotiki egisabumbe sama deficit lead vegendani. Then economic growth in the country while lower growth in the other countries. Saka egawumuge economic growth as anekawumuga economic growth davva kamuga vechayamu who will buy our good, isn't it? And we export davvegendane then adi country ge economic growth increase wa kamuga vechayamu we will be demanding more goods. It means more import. And we anika sama deficit lead vegendane. Then higher exchange rate kurige sende misa hama fahaga kolle vifa when there is high exchange rate abadus exports become exports me expensive vefa imports cheap me vani my situation ka boda import kurevigendani. Then consequences of current account deficit veem dimawa masata kabalaruga menani spending beyond their means ginefara me wagotiki production country ge production avure ma gena spend me kuraveni ehwe e masale kadima vegende maniki earn kurach kavure spending board vegene then ane situation ki imported inflation misaka if we are buying more from abroad there could be chance of importing inflation maniki imported inflated vefa hore product en aharmen import kurani ehme chayam we have to pay more egisabung hama situation goes vegendan. Then country ge production dab vegendium misalaka it could be due to many factors hama me economy down vegen noniyamu ehin kala weather noniyamu hama natural calamities mikal kamakadi ma vegen output madu vedane ehin veja e situation me annani hama wara worse vegen by fara and by far me ti hama fasayang hallo korve masale kasidan. Then lower employment low income me hama current account deficit wa situation ga abades output davwa kamuga vejayamu people will earn less ehme vejayamu me wagotiki hama egisabung anika cycle was wamu medan. Then lower pressure on exchange rate hama games demand davvegendane when people have less income and we me hama exchange rate angonna pressure davvegen medan. Then balalane measures to correct me masala hallu kuran kinge kureveni do mikota pala eruga foratama country can put import restrictions like tariff quotas embargoes mikala eke trade restriction a situation ka gole gotu country ka use kurevidana. Then government can give subsidies to producers, so this will encourage producers to produce more with the less cost country can produce more export market muda ituru kurevigendane. Then ane kamaki reduce exchange rate reduce coffee kamuga vejayamu armenge exports expensive wa masala hallu vegendane vejayamu exports gina kuruma itura chance podu vegendane adi import control kurevene. Then rise in income tax government income tax control mati kurevidane demand control kurumattaka. Then demand control kura situation එක වෙජයාම hama import davegen annan erun country can balance it then anin gotiki produce kurumang ehivung e produce kurang mi help ko deni supply side policy ege gotuga education and training when government focus more on education and training they can produce more when they produce more better quality goods with education and training they can produce better quality goods vajayam hama ekal export market annere varu adi hama quality increase veema export increase vegendan erun current account ge deficit masala hallo vegendan then hinga balama current account ge surplus miyanani kihinetto surplus foratama surplus a kozwa emmasalami low exchange rate veja kamuga veja mi wagotiki import midani davvege then any situation ki high quality of domestically produced good domestically produced kora modaluge quality rangalu vejayamu ahama ekala export korevele ginavegen then high income abroad beru kaumuga income abroad income rangalu vege midani vejayamu they will be demanding more goods export midani ituru vege then low cost of production vejayamu they can produce more low cost of production balali it can be done with the help of government subsidies kalache devike erun cost of production davve jakamugoja they can produce more with low cost and exports can be increased then anikamaki high investment income on abroad and vejakamugoja yam sama revenue libigendan country then the receipt of high workers remittance increase wa kamuga vejayam it is an inflow and vejayawa sama surplus adiyumuke chance then consequences of current account surplus apala erga furata menani high employment vejayam hama it could lead to inflation mi kantata dima vegendan then increasing aggregate demand so the real GDP rise hama it is a good scene in the country with demand increase again GDP increase it could lead to better living standard then appreciation in exchange rate so demand for economy's currency will exceeds the supply in which situation rangalu then measures to correct the current account surplus current account surplus ke surplus current account ke surplus lukuruma government me use kurani expansionary fiscal policy adehama expansionary monetary policy mitiga misalaka cut in income tax decreased to control the demand mikahala techniques me kurani denikais mindi hama suwale tikudinna past paper suwale mindi manala which government policy is most likely to increase the volume of export mitanu kom policy enge export increase koddeni hama kiyali megen konkam exports increase wegen dan furthermore diga tariff quota embargoes me export control koran then devaluation as kamugojayamu tafato again then what is a current account deficit kurigas misa kiyal devigen gacha current account deficit a current account ga when the value of debit items are greater than the value of credit items a inflow mativema abadwas inflow evara outflow mativema me andani deficit then surplus balarga surplus kameyanani outflow evare inflow mativim surplus emen when the value of credit items are greater than the value of debit items a situation ga current account surplus amidan so that's all about the topic thank you all